let's check out what they have in home decor. So I'm loving these wooden, I don't think I saw this the last time I was here, $49.99 Zen corner stool. And this is the label, made in Vietnam. I think that's beautiful. And here there's one for $69.99. I thought that's a little bit expensive. Then you have this marble. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? That's marble for $9.99. And here's a tissue box holder. That's very pretty too. So that one is $7.99. Okay, you have some coconut vanilla soap, $5.99. So here's some cedar hand soap, and that one is $5.99. So you have this brand here of hand towels, and those are $6.99. Aren't they pretty? Look at them. And you have the hand towel over here. Let's see. So the hand towel for one is $4.99. They only have one there. Then they have this DK New York towel. This is a bath towel for $7.99. You come into their bathroom sets. Okay, you have these mirrors along the top, these magnifiers, vanity mirrors for $9.99. Then you have these toilet brush holders for $12.99. And then look at this. I like the detail to that. That's $5.99. And here's the marble-like one. This one is $6.99. So now we get into the bathroom accessories here. So look at the lotion bottles or the soap bottles. Those are $12.99 for that style. And then this one here, this one is $12.99. So then here's the shaver holder. Let's see. This is the label, and that's $6.99 for that. Then you have this set back there. You see that set back there? Isn't that beautiful? Let me see if I can get a price for you. $12.99. That's a beautiful set. And then this one here is in copper. Let me see if I can get a name for you. Decor. Okay, and that's $12.99. So it looks like they're all $12.99, so I'm just going to scan that for you. Then you have this here. This trinket tray or drop tray is $19.99. Then here by Simple Choice is an organizer for $12.99. Here's a clear drop everything tray. And this one is Beano, and that's $14.99. I'm loving that clear look. Then you have some accessories like waste paper basket, step can, the toilet brush holder. Okay. So then you have this. This is really pretty, guys. This is $7.99. I don't see the whole set to that, but look at the marble. Okay, Avanti, $7.99. And then here's the lotion. The pump bottle. Isn't that nice, that round shape? And then this white shape right here. Here is the soap tray for $7.99. And then you have this for $9.99. Here is the tissue holders. So let's see. That's $14.99. And it's Avanti. So here you have some more of their accessories for the bathroom. Oh, look at this. The press pump. $9.99. Look at that one. So that one is $9.99. And some more of the tissue holders. These are $9.99. And look at that one over there with the bling on the bottom. You can't get to that one. Let's see. That's by Beano. That vanity mirror is $9.99. And that one up there is $39.99. You see that detail? Okay, I'll just scan that for you. So then if we come on this side over here, you have the step can here and also the trash bins here. And look at this. This one here is the Eiffel Tower in black. And that is $7.99. And they do have two of those. Then you have some more of these lotion bottles over here. The clear ones here. And here's the marble one. $9.99. Here's the soap dish. So they're kind of scattered with their stuff. Here's a pink one for $6.99. Okay, then along the top you have some holders. And let's see if I can get a price. $9.99. And if we come here, these are the toilet paper holders over here. This one here is beautiful. $9.99 for that one. The one for Beano is $7.99. Okay. And there's the toilet brush holder, $12.99. Scrubbies, loofahs, some more of their bins and some more of their lotions. Seems to be a little bit of their clearance area over here, so we may as well go through it. So this doll here is called Baby Stella, $13. There she is. Then they have this one here is My Best Friend, and that one is $8. That's a nice price for a doll. Then you have all these games, including that Frozen one. This one's a little bit closer to me down here. This one is $8. This baby one right here is $9. American Girl. Let's see if I can get a price on her. I don't know. I don't see the sticker. So let me just scan that for you. So these remind me, these are Cabbage Patch. Okay, these are reduced to $10. Then gender reveal. They're so cute. I remember you used to have to fill out for their birth certificates and all that stuff in the mail when I was growing up. Here's the Dr. Seuss game. Let me see how much he is. So that's reduced to $11. And this ball here, the Sunny Patch, this is $6. And then this is Smithsonian, $15. And here's a Harry Potter. So this Harry Potter is $8. Okay, Smash Journal Kit. Then the Junior Hockey Squishable is $15. And that's what that one looks like. It's a nice pillow. And then this one is a pillow, but it has wheels. So the Fireman, I think, and he is reduced to $6. So then they have this comforter set. Is this a comforter? Twin size set for $29.99, and here's what that looks like. And then here it is in this style for $29. And then look at this, the cuddle bundles. So you have this one, looks like a robot. So let's see. Oh, he is reduced. Okay, so these are reduced. So this must be the little clearance section. These are $10. So you have those robots there. And then I think this one, the unicorn. That's so pretty. Then you have, there's 2 balls missing from here, $6. And then here, My Kitchen, My Rules. Oh, that one has a crack in it. Okay, so then you have this one here made of glass. This dish, $11. So these are pretty random pieces. This is a grapes. Look at that, the grapes bowl. That is $8. And that box that was chipped, they reduced it to $17, but I don't understand that. Look at this. This is a bookend with the diamonds, but they only have the one. If I knew what to do, what I could use this for. Look how gorgeous that is. That's $14. So this one here is $10. This one here is $6. And look at that one. Let me see. This one here is made in Italy. That's $8. And this one is $8. This one here is $8 also. And here's another one for $6. And here, the Made in India, I absolutely love. The Made in India stuff. These are all reduced to $5. And then these are $6. This one is $4, and that one is $8. I might have shown these to you before. Here is the tag, and that's reduced to $39. I think that would make a great wall decor. So they have a few. They have one Indian bag reduced to $2. That's very pretty. And then here's another one. Oh, David Tutera. Look at that. So that's $2. And so that's it as far as the reduce, this reduce aisle here. And let me see, this is reduced to this tier tray for $24. That's a 2-tier. I think 2-tier is nice. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to take a look at their home decor in their clearance area, and I will see you in the next video.